Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Happy New Year's, Happy New Year's, Happy New Year's 2020. Guys, we have made it to another year. We have so much to be thankful for. So I thank God for being here another year, 2020. So guys, I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday. Hope you enjoy your family, your friends, and just enjoy yourself. So guys, but I'm here to do an invite, and the name of this here invite is New Year Kickoff 2020 DIY. Yes, guys, we are going to be doing a collaboration, and we would love for you to participate. The hosts are Mysterious Alberta, Lynn Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, me, myself, and DIY, and me, myself, Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Yes, guys, I'm going to go ahead over some of the rules, but before I go over the rules, I just want to tell my new and old subscriber, thank you for hanging in there with me, showing me all the love and support for 2018 or 19, and right at the moment. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into the rules for our collaboration. And guys, if you're not doing anything after my video, please go by and check. These are lovely creators. They do a lot of DIYs. They do a lot of clean with me. They do a lot of shop with me. And they take you along, you know, when they go out into different department stores. So go by. You will enjoy their channel. So go by and show some support. But their names are, the hosts are, once again, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, myself, me, myself, and DIY, and myself, Cynthia, She's So Blessed. The rules are for our collaboration is, be a subscriber to all hosts' channel. 2, mention all hosts in your video. 3, use your hashtag New Year Kickoff DIY in your description box. 4, title your video New Year Kickoff DIY 2020. 5, upload January the 10th anytime after midnight. 6, add your video to the playlist. If you have any problem, guys, just leave a message in the comment section. And we, either Tammy or myself, would love to go ahead and add you to the video, the playlist. And 7, like always, guys, have fun. Have as much as fun as you possibly can doing this DIY. Once again, guys, we just want to wish you happy New Year's 2020. And if anyone would love to be a part of our Table Skate Sunday or DIY Sunday, or, you know, whatever event that we normally have on every other Sunday, you always welcome to come aboard. And if you have a DIY or a table skate you want to, you know, come aboard and share with us, you're welcome. So guys, until the next video, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumb up. Let me know what you like about it. If you're not part of my family, like always, I would love to have you. So until the next video, I will see you, yes you, and you in the next video. So until then, guys, I will see you on January the 10th, anytime after midnight with your 2020 Kickoff DIY. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.